Alright everybody, so we're back again for another video that barely anybody is watching, but if you still have been watching, thank you so much. Makes me want to give up, it makes me want to not do these stupid videos and I'll just style my own hair for my own self and feel good for myself, but no, I made a commitment. I'm gonna do it. I'll try anything once, I've always said, so I am going to try to do this rolled up wrap with a little hairband that everybody's doing. Pull it down to our necks. Start rolling, wrapping your hair around this little band and bring it up. Roll your hair on up as you go. Bring it up. Bring it up. I think it's probably just easier to roll your hair by itself and bring it up. Who knows? Trial and error. Bring my bang down. Wrap this hair up. I don't feel like it rolled up pretty good. It's probably some stupid trick that some stupid girl did. It'll be so easy. Roll your hair up now. I'm just gonna put some bobby pins in my rolled up hair. Have it look a little mess. It's fine, it's okay. Tuck the hair, roll it up. Just basically roll it around the hairband. Just get the hair up. Bring this little piece up. Messy little twisty roll, you know I like a mess. So that's good. Bring this down a little bit. Pull this up. Pull this hair up. Just doesn't look flat and crazy. And then hopefully the back is all rolled up and rolled up all the way around. Something a little different, switching it up, trying something new. A little twisty roll throw up with the headband. A little different, a little messy. I like it messy enough. Rolling it up suck like hell. Who wants to roll crap up over their face and roll it all up and do all that? It's probably better if you just have the one that you have to tie, but then I don't want to have a bow up here. I'd rather just have a cute little headband up there, you know? It's hard, ladies. It's hard being cute. It's hard doing your hair. It's hard trying to do it every day. It's hard when you feel like nobody's watching your videos, okay? It's hard to keep going every day, but I'm still gonna do it. I committed to everybody to style my hair and show the world that every day you can style your hair and do something. So here we go. Here's today's hairstyle. I hope you like it. If you do, press the like button, subscribe, comment below. Say, stop doing it, Eileen, we don't care anymore. Or just a little inspiration. I'm trying to spread mine. Some days I need a little inspiration too. Thank you guys for watching.